Great, fantastic. Welcome, everyone. As introduced, my name is Chris, and I am involved with Atheneum Youth in running debating and public speaking. And we're going to learn a bit today about some introductions to debating formats and putting that into practice with some ideas that you have come up with. We're going to be using a form called British Parliamentary debating. And so it's replicated off of the old British Parliament and sets out topics for and against as if you were a governing party engaging in putting forward a particular policy that society should or should not perhaps implement. As we move into prep now, it's a good idea to structure your arguments and make sure that it is robust, that it's clear, it's going to be able to stand against potential criticism in the debate. And you do that by running through this kind of structure: point, analysis, example, link. So looking at the motion today, this House supports parents giving their young children an unrestricted yes day. Let's debate.
The other team may say that today, the yes day may help the children to become independent and creativity, but I am here to show that it actually teaches children bad behavior, make children lose discipline, and cause problems for the parents.
Yes days do not encourage rebellion, it actually reduces it. Many times, young children rebel because they feel restricted or unheard. And on the manners part, if young children can learn basic things like manners and routines, why can't they also start learning independence?
Clearer understanding of a child's development can help you understand how much a yes day can affect your child as they grow up. If you have it occasionally, like once every 6 months or so, that makes sense. However, if you were to have it too often because the parents think it makes their child happy, it would give the child the sense of that they are the authority and they can tell the parent what to do.
Young children are very curious. We have seen this in many times. They don't always know what's best for them. They may eat too much candy, skip classwork, or do risky things. Like if they see a snake, their curiosity will make them want to go take it. Instead of a unlimited yes day, parents should give more control choices so kids can learn responsible.
I want to thank you for your time today. Thank you so much for joining us and for being prepared to engage and to debate this topic. I think it's a wonderful start for you. And to Chris, as always, just thank you so much. What a wealth of experience for people to learn from. Thank you for your time.